Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the format of your picture on the Vimeo Create application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, go to the home page by tapping on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen and click on the start from scratch button at the top. After that, you should select the picture you would like to edit or the video and then click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can see it, and if you want to change the format of it, tap on the format button down below in the left side corner. And here you will have three options that you can choose from. So select the ratio, tap on the relevant one and see how it looks like. You can see it at the top. After you have selected the relevant one, click on the done button to save your changes, and here you will be able to continue the editing process. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.